Putting your window coverings onto the right windows can help save a lot of money on your electricity costs. I'm Jenny from Luxaflex, and we're delighted to be involved in the My Ideal House. When thinking about window coverings, consider the insulation. We chose the Luxaflex Evo awning for My Ideal House. It was the perfect solution for the alfresco dining area and also control the heat being on a west-facing wall. Evo awning with solar-powered motor. Just a little bit of daylight will keep it running all year round. PowerView gives you the ultimate convenience. You can just press one button and have all your blinds operate to the right position. Varishades are the perfect solution for the My Ideal House. It gives the flexibility to be able to connect the indoor and outdoor spaces by simply being able to walk through the blind or retract it back. Privacy is also really important for bedroom spaces as well, to have daytime and nighttime privacy, particularly when you're facing a street. In the kids' bedroom, we used the roller blind with the headbox and side channels. We wanted to make sure that we blocked out all of the light. If you want to have your own ideal house, we recommend visiting your local Luxaflex showroom and talk to the experts.